So, it finally arrived. The thing that I was waiting for. You guessed it, it's the microphone you're listening to. So, it's called Trust EMITA GXT 252. If you didn't notice, I managed to slice the box a little bit while I was cutting the package. So, when I opened the box, I find another box. I don't really know why is this a thing, but it exists. So the box itself is made out of plastic mostly, and the sides are aluminum. So at least that's nice. I mean, you can totally just use this box after you open everything for storing money and being like a filthy-rich businessman. Inside we have all the things you need. Here's the microphone stand, the microphone itself full of silica gel, which actually ruptured for some reason. Well, the microphone is pretty nice, it's entirely made out of metal, very good quality. Right here we have a microphone cover. Here's the cable, it's USB, so yeah, it's pretty long, 1.8 meters. Here we have a stand, it's also metal. Underneath we have a lot more stuff. Here's a sticker, some documentation that I totally care about. As you can see how I handle it, yeah, sure. You can make a campfire out of it. Here's a user guide with all the instructions you need. And here we have a pop filter, which obviously filters the pop. It's all metal, except the mesh, yeah. And this is a brick. Not just a brick, it's a metal brick. I actually tested with a magnet. It's metal, okay? It's hard, it's heavy. Alright, let's assemble this bad boy. So first we just screw this in, alright? That's no rocket science, okay? So just do that. Then we just put this aside, and then we take the microphone stand, okay? And then, you guessed it, we also screw this in. It's like really simple. Then we take the most important part, alright? We have this connection, but let's put this aside. Then you can put either a cover or a pop filter, alright? But make sure this thing that my camera didn't focus on is on the right side, okay? Since I'm not using the microphone cover, I'm just gonna stick it like that, alright? You need a little bit of force to do that, okay? But here it is. It works. Then we are gonna put the pop filter, alright? So after a little bit of unscrewing, you just stick it right there and screw it in, alright? So it will fit very nicely. And then you just adjust the thing so it would be 10 to 20 centimeters from the microphone. And then you finally plug in the USB cable. And here you have it. A cardioid microphone that costed me 100 euros. Well, that would be like $120. So, is it worth it? Yes. And to prove that, I'm gonna just show you my entire history of microphones that were used in these videos. Enjoy!
You have to put it like so. It flickers, that means it won't give you any research points. So
Band layers equals table which contains like layer 1, comma. This is my microphone that I've used before. Keep in mind that this is without any filters. And so here we are now with this microphone, and only the time will tell whether this is a good thing or not. However, I'm sure that it is. So with that, I'm going to leave you here, and thank you for watching.